Welcome back. It's Lucy. So today is my day 5 of learning Python, and today I'm building a secret number guess game. So the game is the user inputs a certain number and then the computer tells the user whether it is too high or too low, or the user is right. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing here, I'll collect random numbers. So I'll tell the user to choose any random number, and then from there I'll use the import function, import random. So in this case we are just telling the computer to gather all the random numbers so that we can be able to use them. So from there, of course, we need to have a secret number. Remember, the game is secret number guess game. So let's set our secret. We use underscore, we don't use space in Python. So secret number. So we'll assign this into random.randint. So from 1 to 10. So in this case, we are telling the user to choose a number from 1 to 10 from our imported random numbers that we've gotten from the computer. So yeah, from there, let's say hi to the user. We welcome them to our game. So greetings. So we're welcoming them to the game. So we greet them. So how do we greet them? We use print. So sorry, not supposed to be there. So here, so we say print. Print is a way of telling the computer, or calling or telling the user hello. So it's a way of telling the user or saying what we want to convey to the user. So hello, welcome. Welcome to the guess game. Yeah, so here we've welcomed the user to our game. And so now we want the user to play our game, but we want the user also to continue playing, not to stop playing. So in this case we use a condition statement called loops. So in this case we use while loop. In this case we'll use while true. So when the condition is true, the user, so it should be a colon, a full colon. So when it is true, we use lowercase. So our guess should be, so first of all, it should be an integer. Integer means it is a number between, not a decimal number, and it should lie in our 1 to 10 here. So integer input. So we input, we'll tell the user to enter your, should be your, enter your guess number. So here we've told the user to guess a number and then to input it. Then let's say our guess, yeah, from there now let's say if the user guess is less than our secret number. So if the user guesses a number which is less than our secret number, they should get, so print, so let's say if it is less, it will be too low. So we tell them to try again. So if the user inputs a number or guesses a number which is less than our secret number, we tell them it's too low to try again. And if, or elif, so in this case we use elif, which means else if. So if they guess a number which is greater than our secret number, then you put a colon there. We should tell them print too high, try again. Okay, so what if the user inputs a number that is our secret number? So that one is where else comes in. So we use else. So else comes in when the first two conditions are not satisfied or they are not true. So we say else. So in this else, probably they have gotten the answer. So we will print let's put an emoji there to celebrate them. Let's put that. Say you got it right. You got it right. Let's see. So the secret number was, let's give them the secret number there now. So from there, do you want our game to continue? So if we don't want our game to continue, we put a break. So here we are trying to tell the user it's enough. Yeah, let's try to run this. We see if our game is really working. So you have two methods. You can use this button here to run the Python file, or you can click Ctrl R. So in this case, let me click Ctrl R. Yeah, enter your guess number. You see here we told this, so let's put maybe probably something like 2. You see it is telling us too low. Try again. Let's put 3. It's still telling us too low. Try again. Let's put something like 6. Yeah, you got it right. The secret number was 6. Amazing. So our game, it's done. Yeah, we'll move on to add more features, actually, maybe when we want the game to continue, or when we want to give the user a hint. So stay tuned. Follow for more. Thanks for watching.